let's try it. So that is it, guys. So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to unboxing my new accessories of my scooter. So this is my new accessories of my scooter. So let's go and start to open that. So there have bolts and lock. Also the charger or cable wire. And then another is to the tools. And for the last one is my new accessories horn or buzzer. So this is my new accessories of my scooter. So I will put this of accessories to my scooter. So as you can see, there have a charger here. If this lobat, you can charge here from here. So there have a charger. So that's all. It is lobat. So let's start if it is work. So that's all. It's very loud. So nothing more. So let's go and let's put it to my scooter. So let's go. So let's go, guys. Let's fix it this. So first we need to put the button from here. Okay. So this is it, guys. So we already fixed the new horn or buzzer here for my scooter. As you can see, I will put here now. So I will hide my wire. So that's why now is better now. So let's try it. So that is it, guys. So very good buzzer now. So that's all, guys. So thank you for watching my video. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit like the notification bell to more update my YouTube channel or my next video. So that's all, guys. Thank you very much. Sign out.